Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our afternoon drive time update, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a glorious weekend and starting your weekend. A lot of you in the U.S., it's a Friday evening out there, and you guys are going to be starting your huge weekend coming up. And right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is above 60,000. That's where we really want to be. We're seeing that Ethereum is above 4,000. And something really weird is happening in this cycle is that, we're still not seeing the retail FOMO, happening. And it's really strange because, normally we'd see a whole bunch of retail FOMO. And, if you do a search on Google Trends and stuff, you're really not seeing that, the searches are not happening. So, retail FOMO is definitely not happening. And when it happens, we're going to see that, Bitcoin and other altcoins are absolutely going to moon, guys. And, things are still gearing up. Things are still looking pretty positive out there. It's looking pretty positive out there. So guys, don't panic. I know some of you are panicking right now because things look things don't always go up forever, and sometimes when things go down, people start to panic when it comes to crypto space. So don't panic. This is just a little bit of a correction. Why are things down from where they were 48 hours ago? That's because people they're taking profits. But we're still seeing that overall, that I believe that the top of this cycle is not here. We're still on our way up. We can see that, and the evidence that we're going to jump into is Google Trends and some other news. And people are not searching for terms like buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. The only thing that's really popping off right now is the search term buy Solana. We're going to jump into that, and that's like going to the moon. And so this really confirms to me that the retail FOMO is not happening. When will the retail FOMO happen? It's going to happen soon, and I think we're going to see retail FOMO start to happen in November, guys. And that's when everybody is going to be doing searching for how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy this, how to buy that, and everyone's going to start aping into crypto like crazy, and that's going to send the price sky high, guys. So if this sounds interesting and you guys want to learn more, let's get, you guys gonna have to watch the end, jump into the content. Remember, this content is not financial advice. This is OG sharing his knowledge. This is just OG expressing his opinion. This video is for entertainment purposes. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And guys and gals, if you're in the comments, please keep the comments respectful in the live stream. And there's been some crazy comments going. So, guys, keep all the comments respectful. And, guys, spread the good vibe. Spread the love, guys. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go down and, go back and watch all of my videos, guys. We've got tons of videos. Dogecoin, king of memes, got memes. It's the number one coin out there. Remember, Dogecoin was the original meme coin, and everything after that is just a copycat, guys. So, let's keep things respectful out there. For me, I love everything. I know a lot of my community, they love the sheep coin. Sure, guys, if you love the Shiba Inu coin, that's fine. Love it. And, I try to cover that as much as I can, give you guys some price updates out there. So, guys, let's jump into it. And don't forget to smash the likes right down there. Smash the likes. And tell the OG that you love him. And the only way you can do that is smash the like, leave a comment, and subscribe, BYB, guys. And we got some new subscribers in the house. These are like minty fresh subscribers. We got Josh in the house. We got Zachary. We got Anne Schumann. We got Gian. We got C4. We got Ragul, and we got Jonik in the house. Guys, so thanks for becoming subscribers. Thank you for joining the OG community, and I appreciate it, guys. So we got some interesting stuff coming out. Journalist, YouTuber Tim Poole believes one Bitcoin will eventually be worth $1 million. So this guy's really bullish. So American journalist, YouTuber, podcast host, and political commentator Tim Poole has talked about Bitcoin on numerous occasions, even more so these days as a crypto asset crosses all-time highs. So he believes that we could see that in the next 3 to 4 years we could see that Bitcoin could hit $1 million, guys. I believe it could do that in about 5 years. He's also saying that we could see Bitcoin, going up to $200,000 this cycle, guys. A lot of people are talking about that. I mean, the conservative estimate is around about 94,000, and the biggest estimates I've heard is about $500,000. That's the biggest estimate. I comfortably, anything over 100,000, I'm happy with that. We could have some, when the FOMO intensifies and people start aping and going nuts, sure, that could push Bitcoin to 200,000. That could definitely happen. But remember, it's important to time the tops, and it's sometimes really hard to time the tops because suddenly Bitcoin can really move very fast. So, guys, keep an eye on things. And, Bitcoin is the new digital gold. And I believe that we could see, $200,000 incoming. I mean, I'm going to be happy, if I'm gonna be happy if we get 100,000. So Bitcoin price consolidation leans towards another leg higher. So as you guys saw that, we had this 67,000 that came in earlier, and we're seeing that Bitcoin has gone down a little bit, and it went as low as 60,000, and it looks like we're coming back up again. So I would not panic, guys. From October 1st till now, we've seen an increase of almost 55% in where Bitcoin has been. So there's a little bit of cooling off right now. There's a little bit of selling going on, so the current price action seems to is a welcome development for crypto market, because sometimes Bitcoin will go all the way up and then it'll cool off. After it cools off, it'll start heading up higher. So according to the analysis, the current fractal pattern suggests that the next major stop for Bitcoin is around about $72,000. So then after that, the next stop is about 88,000. So, and this is really looking good. If we can hit the 1.61 Fibonacci extension, we could be easily seeing $88,000 incoming for Bitcoin very soon, guys. So this is really amazing, guys. Really amazing news. And I think that Bitcoin is looking pretty good, and everything is looking very peachy keen, guys. And I would not worry about it too much. And I believe that the Bitcoin FOMO is not even happening. Ethereum FOMO has not even happened, and we're going to see people aping into Bitcoin and Ethereum like crazy once the FOMO starts, guys. Some other news right now is, so we see that Terra was served with a subpoena a couple days ago, and this all relates to that. As you guys know, that Terra also does have its own stablecoin. So this is related to, I believe the SEC wants to investigate Terra Luna. This is Luna, by the way, and about their stablecoin that they're going to be rolling out. So basically, crypto Twitter was abuzz last month after speakers at the Masari Mine crypto conference in New York were served with a subpoena by someone representing the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and this was witnessed by a whole bunch of people. So Decrypt has confirmed that the recipient was Dogecoin co-founder and CEO of Terraform Labs. That's Luna, guys, in case you're wondering what that is. According to the court filing, Doge is now suing the SEC over the subpoena. The subpoena filed by Terraform Labs and Doge against the SEC claims the two subpoenas were improperly issued and served. It adds that the agency failed to keep its investigation into Terraformers Mirror Protocol confidential. Doge previously denied receiving the subpoena to the defendant and spoke blah blah blah. So basically, as you guys know, Terraform Labs is behind the algorithmic stablecoin Terra. So Terra keeps its peg to the dollar via a mechanism that destroys secondary currency, Luna, and now the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market. So as much as the SEC and other financial regulations are concerned about stablecoins, it is related to Terraform Labs project that garnered the agency's attention. So they're not happy about this minor protocol launched December 2020. So this Mirror is a platform for creating synthetic versions of stocks. So this is what they're looking at. They don't like this whole synthetic version of stocks, and they don't like their stablecoin. So that's why they're going after Terra right now. So let's see how that pans out. This could affect the Terra Luna's price overall. So this is from Poole blockchain. After experiencing all-time high, Bitcoin has ushered in a decline according to CryptoQuant. This correction may be due to short-term holder selling. So we're seeing right now that, as I said, we're seeing a lot of short-term holders are selling and taking profits, guys. So that's why we're seeing Bitcoin currently down right now. So I really wouldn't panic too much about it. It's really a nothing burger. We're going to see, Bitcoin going to 72,000 very shortly, guys. Plan B has already said 63,000 is incoming this October. With we're going to see higher targets in November, guys. So don't panic, and let's just take a look at this. Is very interesting. If you look at the search terms for Doge right now, and you go past the 5 years, we saw a huge, January 24, 2020, we saw a huge search term, and in terms of Google Trends, and this was really trending. And then also too in April, we saw also buy Doge was trending. Then in May, this is just before the SNL, we saw a huge bump up, guys, and this was May 2nd to 8th, and since then Doge has just been very calm and very quiet. So there's no FOMO. Nothing has really intensified into the FOMO aspects of Doge, guys. So let's take a look at buy Bitcoin. You can see the same here. The last time we had huge in 2017 when Bitcoin ran up and to all-time highs, we saw that that the search term hit almost 100, and since then we're seeing that right now the search term is very low. It's around about 15. We saw that in December, just before the price started to run up, we saw it was at 24, and then again in February. And then when we hit all-time highs in April and May, we really didn't see very much. And right now, that's what really tells me that we've not really seen the FOMO intensifying. We're not seeing the retailers FOMOing into this right now. So, once this intensifies, keep an eye on Google Trends. You guys should be checking Google Trends on a regular basis. And if you start to see this impulse start to go up really, really strongly, that means that FOMO is started and people are going to go nuts and the price is going to go nuts. So keep an eye on that. If you look at Ethereum right now, buy Ethereum, also the same thing. If you look at 2017, this is like the top of the bull run in 2017. Here you can see it was marked by 100, and then here this is also in May. This is when we had this run up and all-time highs in May, and then since then it's been really kind of just lackluster. So also for Ethereum, the FOMO has not intensified. People are not aping in, so retail investors are not really going nuts right now. But if we look at Solana right now, this is search term. The search term is buy Solana, and you can see here that right now, recently, you can see that. Come on. That in August 29th to September 4th, we're seeing a lot of people aping in to Solana at that time, and that's when Solana started to make some moves, right, guys? Remember that was when it was at all-time highs. Since then, it's come down, and retail FOMO has really not started for Solana. So this really just proves to me that things are still pretty quiet, guys. And you can see that if you look at the number of public companies that own Bitcoin, this list is growing day by day, second by second, minute by minute. MicroStrategies has the largest amount of Bitcoin, followed by Tesla, Galaxy Digital, Voyager, Square, Manhattan Digital Holdings, and so forth and so on. So we're seeing that the number of companies that are aping into crypto is growing and increasing day by day, second by second. Also, we're seeing that the number of countries that are aping into crypto Bitcoin is also increasing. So right now we can see that Bulgaria holds the largest amount of Bitcoin, followed by Ukraine, El Salvador, and the Georgian government. And then we're also seeing the number of private companies are also increasing as well, guys. So this is really cool news. So I'm really bullish about crypto right now. I'm still really bullish about Bitcoin. So guys, don't panic. The FOMO has not started yet, and when it does, we're going to see things go to the moon. And you can still see here on the rainbow chart, we're still in it's a bubble, and FOMO is right here, and we still haven't seen this FOMO starting yet, guys. So FOMO has not intensified. We're still in the initial is this a bubble phase, and I believe that FOMO is going to happen, and when that happens, Dogecoin is going to go to the moon, Bitcoin is going to the moon, and everything's going to go crazy, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap right now is at 2.60 trillion, and the volumes are 93.4. The volumes have come down a little bit because it's a weekend, and we're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is now at 44.59, guys and gals. So let's take a look at the coins in house, and we'll quickly look at the charts, guys. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is at 61,520. That's down 2.74%. We're seeing that Ethereum is still above 4,000. So that's really good that psychologically we stay above 4,000, because if we go below 4,000, then we could see some drops down to about 3,800, 3,600 for Ethereum, because we have some really good support there. We're seeing that BNB right now is at $483, and that's up 0.5%. ADA is also down right now. It's down 1%, $2.16. Now Solana is back up again, so that's really good. We're back up almost over 0.5%. That's 205. We're seeing that Polkadot right now it's almost neutral, right? It's at 0.35%, so it's down just a touch, and that's at $44.70. So it looks like Doge is making a comeback right now. Is at 24.7, and that's at 0.7. That's at almost neutral right now. And Shiba Inu is up 1.63%, guys. So that's looking pretty good. So let's jump into the markets right now. So let's just take a look at the Shiba Inu price right now. So Shiba Inu is just going sideways right now inside this channel. We got a top side of this channel is around 33, and the bottom side of this is around about 24. So it's just going sideways right now. So let's take a look at the Doge right now. So Doge is doing pretty much similar right now. Doge is at 24.79. It's picked up a little bit, and it's just going sideways. And I think, this weekend, I think we're going to see some sideways action. I mean, I'm hoping we could see some pumps happening, but it doesn't look like it. I think we're just going to be going sideways, pretty much a consolidation this weekend. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin is still above 61,516. So this is where we want to be. If we can stay above 60,000, then it's going to be looking good. And you know, we've so far we got 1 day and 20 hours left on this candle. So hopefully we can turn it green before the close of the week. That would be nice. But I anticipate we could be looking at a first red candle in about 3 or 4 weeks, guys. So it's just slightly. It's at 0.03%. It's going down. We could turn green. So let's see. Let's keep an eye on that. Bitcoin on the daily chart right now is at 61,720. This is on the Binance chart. Remember, different exchanges had different slippers, so that's why you're seeing different prices. And right now we're looking at Bitcoin. It's up on the daily just a little bit, 1.29% on the Binance chart. And you know, we've got some support around about 60,000, and then we got some other support around 58,000, and then support around 56. So if we can stay above 60, we're going to be fine. If not, then we could see ourselves dropping down to 58,000, guys. So do not panic. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house right now. So Ethereum is above 4,000. That's key that we stay above 4,000, and it's at 4,047. If we drop down, then we have some really good support around 3,600, 3,700. That's our key support levels there. So I don't think we're going to be dropping too much lower. Let's hope that we can stay above 4,000. But you know, the weekend the volume's a little bit less, and anything can happen. So it's a little bit dicey right now. So just keep an eye on things. Do not panic. We're seeing that also ADA is just going sideways. It's been going sideways all day since I woke up this morning. It's at $2.16, and it's just inside this channel between $2.34 and $2.15. And look at Solana in the house. Solana is, you know, broken past the $200 level. So let's change that to support. And hopefully we can Gideon up and hopefully hit all-time high. So Solana is looking pretty good, and you know that's evident here by, you know, the amount of people searching for Solana is on the increase right now. So that's another reason why we're seeing prices start to explode, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to follow me on my Twitter. Follow. We got 2,704 followers, guys. Show some love. Remember, if you're not getting YouTube notifications, please go here and follow us. We got news, tips, and tricks. And if you want to contact me, send a message on my Twitter, guys. And with that being said, guys, thank you. You made it to the end. God bless each and everyone. Thank you for spreading the good vibe, spreading the good word, and God bless each and everyone. Go down there, smash the like, show some love for the OG. I would appreciate it. God bless each and every one of you. And remember, don't forget to subscribe as well and leave a comment, guys. And keep the comments respectful. And you know, there's been some silliness in the live stream. Some of the comments are kind of weird or wacky. So, guys, keep the comments respectful. I appreciate it. And don't forget to check out all my links. My linky links are below. You know, become a Patreon member. Buy the channel a coffee. You're going to love it. I love it. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. The links down below in the description. But we got hats. We got hoodies. We got all sorts of cool stuff, guys. And don't forget to get the mug. The mug is full of love. It's full of Joe. And it's full of joy, guys. So you can get your Joe, your love, and joy all in one place, guys. So you're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. And guys and gals, don't forget to go and check out the wife's channel, Zen Music. It's a great place to be. So guys, I just want to say God bless you. I'll see you tonight Vietnam time with an update, and if anything's breaking or anything happening, I will let you know, guys. So God bless each and everyone. This is Rick Flair of Crypto in the House. Woo! I'll see you in the next one, guys. And this is the OG spreading the crypto love, spreading the crypto vibe. God bless each and everyone. Go with God, be with God. Spread a little bit of positive. Hug your wife, hug your kids, and just be neighborly, guys. Spread a good word. I love it. And don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe. This is the last chance to do this. Show the love for the OG. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!